Hello guys, welcome to Step Up Lives. This video is going to help you kickstart your tech career on an immediate basis and skyrocket it to packages of 4.5 to 9 lakhs per annum. If you're someone who's graduated or is in the final year and is looking for kickstart their career in tech, this video is for you. We recently made a video on the CCBP 4.0 intensive program, and we had got a lot of comments regarding the placements and what has been the real success that has been achieved with this program. Let me just quickly go through the program details. You'll find the link in the description. You can check it out for yourself as well, and I'll quickly help you through understand all this program. If you're new to the channel, then subscribe with the bell icon, and if you find anything useful, then definitely like this video. This is a proven curriculum which will allow you to get a tech job in the range of 4.5 to 9 lakhs. Let's quickly get on to what are the things that they have been able to do. The alumni for this program are from Google, Stanford, IIT Bombay, Amazon and IIT Delhi. The companies which have been hiring from the next wave CCBP 4.0 are some of the top tech companies you can see on the screen. Quickly, you can see a lot of success stories that they have mentioned. We'll also try to look at some of their LinkedIn profiles and try to see what are the students doing up to now and what have been they've achieved so far. The program actually consists of helping you build the resume, mock interviews, aptitude programs, scheduling interviews and salary negotiations. There will be placement support for this program, and quickly getting to what are the people with any background have been able to achieve. IT professionals looking to kickstart their tech career, something they have been able to do. The proven methodology of this program, in which you have completely online doubt clarifications, mock test interviews, as well as learning sessions and coding playground, completely integrated in this program. Let's quickly get on to what are the steps onto this career changing program. First, we'll be talking about the developer foundations, then full stack specializations, mock tests and project interviews and preparations, and get a job with our placement support. Up to 8 months they are providing this support, which is there. A detailed curriculum is there. Let's quickly get on to the who are the people who are training. These are the people from Amazon, Microsoft, IIT Bombay. You can look at all of the details on the website. Let me just quickly go on to the reviews. You can also watch the reviews of the people who have been recruited and got the placements through this program. Most importantly is to understand the placements that have happened are real. For example, I'm just placing my cursor here. You can see the name of the person, their LinkedIn profile. They have also put in their offer letter from where they have been recruited. You can check those names on LinkedIn and verify the details as well. I believe this is completely legit. They are supporting the students from placements as well as training them all the while for the program. If you want a demo of the program, I would recommend you to check out the link in the description. Please try to understand the program. What are the details of the curriculum? What are the fees involved? What are the terms and conditions involved with these placements that they have indicated? The success stories are in front of you. If you find this video helpful, definitely subscribe to the channel. Check out the link in the description to understand with a free demo what is the program of the CCBP Intensive 4.0 program. And if you find it relevant, only then you can enroll in the program and take the benefits of the same. Thank you so much and bye bye.